Good morning and happy Monday. Let's kick this week into gear and meet our goals. For me, it's starting with some water. Good morning and happy Tuesday. Some goals and healthy choices can be overwhelming, so start with something small that you know you can accomplish and build your way up from there. That's how Selena got in shape. Good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday. So last night I had a case of the Midnight Munchies and went over my points, but I'm using that as fuel to do better, work harder, and make the rest of the week great. When this happens to you, do the same. Good morning, everybody. I can't think of anything clever today, so happy Thursday. Behave. Do what you're supposed to do, or Selena will attack. Good morning, guys, and happy Friday. Let's end this week on a high note and meet our goals and stick to what we want to do, need to do, gotta do. Right, Brody? Neighbor's dog.